everyone. All right, I already know you guys are looking at me like I'm crazy, but we are doing a review today. You know, we are jumping right into this video. I hope everyone is well. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get more updated videos from me. So as you guys can tell, I am going to be reviewing this blow dryer. I wanted to do the intro first because I wanted to be genuine. I wanted you guys to see my real reaction. So that's why I look crazy. I washed my hair last night. If you want to see a routine on that, it is already on my channel. So yeah, let's just get started on blow drying my hair.
So the product we're reviewing today is the Revlon one-step hair dryer, and the reason why I'm doing that is, as you guys can see, it's shaped just like a brush.
So I'm using my Cheese Silk Infusion as a heat protectant. It is a little bit pricey, but it's the only heat protectant that really genuinely works on my hair. It's a real brush though. I like it. No, that's ridiculous. This is unacceptable. Why haven't I had this? That was what was that, 30 seconds?
Around 20.
I'm upset. The only thing I need back here.
So yeah guys, that was my first impression, my first reaction to this product. I'm honestly really in love and I'm so glad I have this now. This truly cut my blow drying time in half. So this is not so much of a tutorial, so I'm gonna go ahead and let the music play and kind of speed up the process of blow drying my hair.
Just give me all of you in exchange for me. When I think about you, I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing.
So for this blow dryer to be under $50, I was expecting it to be trash. I'm not even gonna lie, because normally blow dryers around that price, you don't really get a good heat setting, but this has a great heat setting, and this brush is a great detangler, and I was not expecting that. My hair has a lot of movement, so go ahead and let me know how you feel about this like new little invention. It may not be new, I just may be late to the party, I don't know, but let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and let me know if you're part of my notification squad as well in the comments down below. I love you guys and stay blessed.
For me, do this one favor for me. I had to change my play, way too complicated for me.